Hello cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Big Mama Cooks and here I make mom level recipes made easy and I air fry them too. Today's recipe is going to be a super easy salami guisado because we all love some salami guisado either midweek or on a Sunday morning. Let's get right to it. Before I start, I'd like to note that this video was originally filmed for Instagram, that's why it's horizontal. Moving along, all of the ingredients will be listed in the bottom bar, but I'm going to show everything that I'm working with. Of course, some salami. I'm going to be working with red onion, different color bell pepper, and that's more for presentation than it is for any specific taste. I cut everything up small, well, the peppers, and the onions I like to slice them up, and I cut my salami into fours, but if you prefer a smaller cut salami, you could go right ahead and do that. I'm going to add my salami to my pan that's been going on medium-high heat for 3 minutes to heat it up. I'm going to add my salami in without any oil because all I want to do is give it some color. I'm not going to fry it. I don't need to cook it through, just giving it some color. When my salami reaches the desired color that I'm looking for, all I'm going to do is set it aside. Going right back into the pan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and then I'm going to add in my veggies and half of a chicken bouillon cube. I'd like to note that I like to use the chicken bouillon cubes from the Maggie brand, specifically the ones that have the chicken with the black outline because that's the one with the Dominican flavors. I'm going to crush my chicken bouillon cube into my veggies and I'm going to stir fry this together so that my chicken bouillon cube can start breaking down. Next, I'm going to add in half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and I'm going to mix this up together to break down the tomato paste and begin building my sauce. You see how quickly it starts thickening up? We love some salami guisado. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of vinegar. I'm going to mix this together because this is when the flavors start coming alive. This is when that guisado flavor starts coming alive. And then I'm going to add in my onions and my salami that I had reserved. I'm going to mix everything well together to get these flavors marrying. This is now going on medium-low heat. So remember to turn down your flame to medium-low. Then I'm going to add in another half a cup of water and my cilantro right on top. Altogether, it's 1 cup of water. And I'm going to cover my pot for 10 minutes. Again, I'm going to cover my pot for 10 minutes on medium-low heat to allow this to cook. At the end of those 10 minutes when we return, our salami guisado is done, cousin. Easy peasy. And of course, I served it over some mango. Not just mango con aguacate, because the aguacate is very important. Also, some yuca or some guineitos is bomb with some salami guisado. Cousin, my mango video is going to be up on Saturday, so look out for that. It's going to be right on my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.